What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Also, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I got TJ on deck today, man. And one thing about TJ is, and why I'm sharing this with you guys, is his reflective nature. Write this word down: reflection. Reflection. Okay, that's something you guys want to do daily on your journey. Check out TJ, guys, and take from this. And this is why I show you and share these things with you on a daily. He said another $1,000 plus day on yesterday by simply getting better at my entry points. Listen to this, guys, as we walk through this together. He said, although still not as good as it could have been, so his entry was good, but he know it could be better. I'm loving the reflection I'm hearing in this. It's still progress, and I'm so grateful. I love a person with gratitude, guys. I respected the levels you called out and saw profit and took profit. He didn't get greedy. He seen profit and he went for it. He didn't try to hold out for an extra 20 cents, $2. No, he grabbed that, okay? Because Wall Street has a tendency of grabbing it back from you. That is why we do this, guys. He said, I had 12 contracts, average cost of 126. I closed out 8 of them. Look at this methodical. Look at how well thought out this is. He said my first profit was at 177. I'm loving this. That's 51 points. I'm loving this. I know he killing it. He said, and I let 4 run. So he left some runners, guys. This is what you do. This is how you do it. He said, while managing my stop loss and trusting the chart, and I sold the remaining at 330 per contract. This is beautiful, guys. As always, thank you for what you do. And since finding you, I want to tell you that I shared your channel with one of my good friends and my cousin, and all 3 of us are on the 100K challenge. We're taking it one day at a time, one play at a time. You are changing our family lives, managing risks, and falling in love with the base hits. Thanks, Coach. TJ, major salute, man. I'm sharing this because your message, your story, your journey, I already know. I do this every day. Unlike anybody else on social media, I do this every day. I know you just changed thousands of lives, and we keep it humble when we say that because it's much more than that. Everybody that's tuning in, both subscribe and unsubscribe, when they read your testimony, your process, your journey, I already know you just changed lives for the betterment, and I thank you for sharing it. I thank you for, again, letting me know and letting me, again, share it with the rest of the world. Guys, we got a jam-packed video, so let's go ahead and dive into it. Something I want to teach and show you guys, okay? Sticking with our theme word of reflection, okay? We're going to reflect on this. Look at the SQQQ, okay? If you rock with me, guys, I want you to have this as a hedge. Write this word down so that you know what it is. Write the word. So we got reflection and we got hedge. That's what this is. You don't play with this. You hedge with this, okay? Watch this. Look at this. This is how you change your life when you follow directions. Look at this. So this is what they say. The experts on Wall Street only get around 8 to 10% a year. If you guys listen and understand why we do what we do, the SQQQ alone just got you 9.81% on your money. Guys, you have to buy low. You have to trust the process. I want this on everybody watch list. Whenever this go down, okay? Whenever this go down, I don't want you mumbling. I don't want you fumbling and stumbling. I want you to be thinking, Coach told us this goes up between 10%, 25 to 30%. Guys, it do it all the time, but you have to be patient. You got to do this with the understanding at some point it's going to work in my favor. I have to do the work and build this out. Okay, so the SQQQ, when the market is going up, this going to be crashing hard. I don't want you to panic. I want you to be like, okay, let me look at the 52-week low. Let me try to get in around that level or lower. You can set your limits like I do, guys, so you don't have to watch it. You just say, if it falls to this price, buy me 1,000 shares, buy me 100 shares, because I already know, I've been doing this a long time. You're going to get this type of return. To we can, some of us can check out the game right now. Anybody that put 100K into this and you just get a quick 10% return. Anybody that put $1 million into this and you get a quick 10% return, now mind you, this is going to go up much higher over time. Okay, so you can get in at 13. You can take profits up here. What was the high for this week? 15. Okay, you can get in at 13, take profits at 15. That would have been 11.6%. Okay, guys, don't be greedy. This is the stock market. It goes up and down, up and down. So I'm letting you know right now, it's going to go to 15. You just see it got knocked back down at 15. Watch this. It's at 15 here. It came back down to 14.53. Make a note, write this down. That's called resistance. Anytime you see rejection, that's what you denote as a resistance level. So you need to respect that. So next time you get in at 15, you ride it to 13. You make your money like that, okay? After it breaks 15, it's going to go to 16.50. You need to know that. It ain't going to go right to 18. Even though it's going there over time, you need to have a 3-month time horizon where you're taking profits along the journey. When it run up 10%, 20%, then it's going to come back down, then it's going to run back up, and you have to have a plan for that. You have to have some staying power. I just want to put this on your radar, guys, because you are missing out on how to have your portfolio to hold you down. When stocks go down, this is going to go up. And then when stocks go down, you don't look at this. You just look and say, keep going down, because your stocks, all of them ain't going to run up 9%, 10%, 30%. How this going to do? This is cheap. This is under $20. So it only need to move $1, $2 for a decent sized percentage move. Okay. Keep that on your radar for me. Okay. And another one we're going to do the same thing with is IWM. I'm putting this on your radar because it's at a better price. So we jumped in this a couple weeks ago at 197. It ran to 205. I said this ETF is set to explode. Okay, look at this. It's down here at 191. Look at this. It was down $7.91, almost 4%. Okay, check this out. You can do the same thing. This is what we call rinse and repeat. This ETF, when it get back going to the upside, it is going to run back to, guess what, 205. Let's just look at the levels. You got 200 there. You got 201 as one of your resistance. It fell from 205. Okay, so 201.90. You want to look for that as a top. If you get in on the low, that's a $10, $8 to $10 move. Okay, and then 201.90 and then 205. Before it, again, you got to test it 3 times, guys. You guys follow these principles, okay? Because the minute you get to grasping it and understanding it fully and truly, you're going to change your life. You're going to get the concept versus again, just not understanding what you be doing, okay? So I just want to put those 2 on your radar. And then check this out, guys. 3 ETFs that you need to have as part of your just mix in general. If you are any type of investor, and especially if you are a long-term investor, this 3-fund portfolio is one I want you to consider, okay? I'm sharing right here with you guys SCHD in terms of one that you want to have. This is some of your best value plays, okay? Please put that on your radar. Again, guys, we have VTI. This is your foundational piece of your portfolio. Now listen to this. Where do we buy this at, Coach? I buy this at 200 and below. Okay, so 200 and below. So right now it's at near 52-week highs. Okay, way up here. So this one I'm putting on your radar so you can either dollar cost average, meaning put a little in it at these levels so that you at least get in the process of practicing good habits, or you can just let the eventual crash happen when it come back 20% and it gets back down to that low 200 level, 206, 209, in that range, and then begin to build it out. The choice is yours. There's no right or wrong, but you just need to know the right way to go about investing, okay? I'm putting this on your radar. Don't mean you need to buy it and go all in at this level, but you can dollar cost average or just be prepared to buy it heavy when I buy it heavy at 200 and below. So I like 180, 186, 190, 196, 200. I like those levels. I'm putting massive amount of money in, or my wins from trading options, and then we get busy, okay? And then, guys, in terms of growth, VUG, all right? put this on your radar. If you don't got VUG, consider VIG. If you like the Qs, you can go with the QQQ, okay? But we're making money with SQQQ, so you can do the inverse. You can have both. If you got the QQQ and SQQQ, you're making money when the QQQ go up, and then when the SQQQ go up, you are making money as well, okay? That is a way you can do a trade-off, or what is otherwise known as a hedge. All right, listen guys, these are some things I want on your radar for this upcoming week. We will be getting to the money first thing in the morning, so please use the link in the description below to get inside the Discord if you're not already in there. The money team, please be locked, loaded, ready to go. Run the play we call in a huddle. We knocked it out the park last week. I foresee us doing the same thing this week, long as we focus on execution, guys. The theme of this week is going to be managing your risk, okay? I want to make sure all you guys, if you're going to trade, know how much you want to lose. I got to teach you guys how to learn how to properly lose, meaning you lose a little, you make a lot. You need to learn how to lose a little and make a lot, not make a little and lose a lot. We got to change that paradigm, okay? So be ready this week. We're going to be getting after it, most likely sometime throughout the week. I'm going to give you guys another play just like we did on Friday, teaching you guys how this go, and also ensuring you guys learn how to make consistent money and gains in the market, okay? With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.